Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can hide notch display in your phone Vivo V21e. Here you will see the notch area. If you want to hide notch area for particular app, you can do it. For that, first go to the settings of your phone here and click on display and brightness. Now click on top area display here and select the particular app here. I would like to select Chrome, and here by default it is set in automatic fitting. If you set display the concave area, it will still show the full screen apps, that is without hiding this area, this what is called notch area. Without hiding this notch area, it will show. I will show it now. Google Chrome is opened in full area, and if you want to hide those area, what you have to do is just you have to select another option, hide the concave area. Now if you open Google Chrome app, notch area will be removed. Yes, notch area has gone and it's like a normal display. See here, this area is hidden and it is flat now. So in this way we can set notch area to be removed for particular app. You can select more apps there. Go to the settings, click on display and brightness, and click on top area display, and I select now Amazon. And here also by default it is set in automatic fitting. If you set hide the concave area, notch area will be removed for Amazon app. Open Amazon app and see the changes. So in this way you can easily customize particular app for particular app notch area to be removed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.